Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. So a new year, a new video. I wish you guys all the best for 2020 and make sure you follow me in 2020. So hit that subscribe button down below. So let me know what your wishes are for 2020. Let me know down below. So now we're starting with a video. So it's a product, a wheel cleaning product that I've been waiting for about 4 months. I ordered it on autogem.nl. It's a site in Holland, very good company. I waited for 4 months on the product, but the company always gave me a heads up what was up and why it took so long. But no problem, product is here, and it is P&S BRAKE BUSTER for people in America. It is not that special of a product, but here in Belgium it is pretty hard to get. So people that live in Belgium or Holland, leave me in the comments down below if there is another site to get it. But yeah, I'm very curious. I waited 4 months, so we will start with the product. What I read about it is pretty promising. So it's a non-acid formula, safe on all wheels. It foams a bit. I like when a product foams a bit. It also needs to be slick. It has corrosion inhibitors to protect the wheel from further corrosion. But it's also for the brake discs that they don't rust. So that's all in the product, and it's safe on all type of wheels. It's also to clean the tires, so it's an all-in-one product and it protects pretty good. So I just have driven the car, so I'm gonna rinse the rims down to cool them off a bit, and then I will spray the product on, and we will see how the product does on itself. After that, I'm gonna rinse it down, see now how much brake gas there is still left on the car, and after that I'm gonna agitate it if it is still necessary, and clean the entire wheel, and then I will show you guys the end result. So we will start with the video. So first of all, I rinsed the wheels down because I just went for a drive with the car and you can't use the product on warm wheels, so that's what I did first. You can see the wheels are filthy, but the wheels are a color that don't show dirt that well, so it's a good and a bad thing. It's not a very good thing to make videos because they always look clean. Brake dust was on the wheel for a week, so it wasn't baked in, but you can see it is definitely there. So normally it will be piece of cake for BRAKE BUSTER. So I just shaked the bottle and sprayed it on. So I soaked the whole wheel with it. I love the wheel design of this car. It should be one size bigger, but I love the wheel design of it. So leave in the comments down below what you think of this wheel design, or if there is a one that is better, but I love this one. You can see it dripping down. It's not that thick. It's not a gel or something. It's just a liquid spray. It doesn't smell bad, so that's also very nice. It doesn't have a smell that I recognize, but it doesn't stink, and that's the most important thing. Then I rinsed the wheels down with a high pressure washer to see how much was left. You can see there is still some dirt on them, but normally 90% of the dirt was removed. You can see in the inner barrel there is still some dirt left, but most of it is removed. You can't see on my finger, but there was still some dirt left. So I sprayed it on the wheels again. So same process again. Sprayed it on in the inner barrel and made sure the whole wheel was covered. Also on the tire, because you can use it on tires, so it is easy that you can use it on tires as well. The product prevents also rust on the rotors, so that's also a very nice thing, that you don't have rusted rotors after you wash the car. So that's also a big plus. So you can use it for your tires and for the rotors. So it's actually a 3-in-1 product because it's also a cleaning product. Then I of course used my wheel woolly from Monello to get in the inner barrel. I like this wheel woolly. It's the perfect size actually for most of the wheels to get between the calipers. These wheels are pretty annoying to clean because it has a little lip after the face, and most of the dirt gets in that lip, but you can't get in it when you don't get the wheel of the car. I used my little brush from AliExpress. It's costed 80 cents or so to clean the tires. And you can see all the foam is white, so they were pretty clean. Then I just used my brush to clean the wheels. What I also like about this product a lot is that it foams pretty well. It feels also very slick, and that's pretty important, that you have the feeling that you don't scratch the rims, so it glides over the surface and agitates the dirt, and that's in case with this product, so a big plus for this product. So for me it is a very good product. I would recommend it to you guys. It is one of the best wheel cleaners that I ever used. It's in my top 2. So I will use this one again, and this will be for me the end of the video. I'm rinsing the wheel down now, and you can see the end result of it. I will show you after of course, but this is the end of the video for me. If you have some questions, put them in the description down below, and I will be happy to answer them. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Ciao!